All right, so last time we used the blog template to create a website with a blog. This time, let's say we go to new projects, and a lot of these templates do have blogs, and some of them don't. But let's say you like this template over here. Let's preview it. You like everything about it, and you go to blog over here, and you don't really like this. Okay, let's say you don't like this blog from this website, from this web template, but maybe you like this one. So you go to this template, you go to blog, and you're digging this whole layout. Well, the way you would do this is first close the tab, use template. It's my project. Continue. That's what we're going to work on. But let's go to all projects. Let's hit command, and this project, which we just created, it's going to open it in the background. And let's go ahead and create a new one and use this template over here. Okay, I'm just going to call this resources. Hit continue. All right, so this is the blog that I want to copy. I want to copy it from this one. So I'm going to go to blog, all, because this is what I liked, right? I liked this page over here. And this is the whole thing. So I just go right click, copy. Now I go to this template, my project, the one I chose for my project, and I go to blog, all. Okay. And now what I do is delete this section, right click, paste after what I copied, and there we go. Now, the only thing I need to do is to reconnect everything I have here. So let's do it. First, we're gonna go hit blog over here, go to that resources template. Let's see how it was. It was row, and blog posts is where it was connected to the collection. So let's go back here. It says blog. We can just leave this name. Go to settings, source, CMS, collection, blog posts. All right. The next thing we want to do is we see there is a filter here. We're going to use this filter. So we're just going to hit plus. It's going to be the categories. But I don't know if this template has a category. So we're going to go to CMS here. And it does not have categories. We can add the categories here. Sample data, just use categories from the sample data for now. Then we go to blog posts. We have sports and fitness and all these blog posts. Go and add a field here. And it's going to be a reference field. And which one? Well, the categories one. Create field. Now let's just go ahead and add these categories. I'm going to do this really quickly. Sports and fitness. Update. So we can actually see them really quickly, just adding random categories here. 3 more to go. Update. 2 more to go. What else do we have here? Technology. Update. And last one, let's go with business. Update. All right. And now, since we have the categories, go back to the design here. Now, when I click the blog posts, this is where we were before, and the settings is already open. Go to the filter here, and now we have the categories here. Just go ahead and click them, hit none, use this link to filter field, and there you go. Remember to click add. All right, that's that. And let's just go ahead and reconnect everything else. Key, image, heading, name. There's going to be like the description over here. key, description, and then we have to link it to the design of the page. Here's the link block here. Okay, no link set. It's going to be pages, blog, post, data, collection data, blog post, current collection. All right, let's see if everything is working fine. We see maybe this badge. Maybe this is one more thing we can kind of add. It could be whatever. Let's go with the category. Okay, business. Now let's hit preview. All right, so this is the home page. This is the blog. These are the categories which we can filter by. Let's actually see if this works. It doesn't. We're going to fix that in a moment. Now the blog posts, if we click them, we have the blog post page. And what we would need to fix here is we would need to add an image, right? So let's go exit preview. Let's go to all, and let's go to blog post. After the name, let's go with a specific blog post so it just looks nicer. Okay, and we can add the image where we want the image. I hit A to bring up the elements, add an image here, go to settings, key, CMS data, image, and there we go. Okay, of course here we can also add the creation date of the article, whatever we want. I just wanted to show you the concept. You'll probably know how to build out the rest. All right, so that's that. One more thing we're going to fix is in the blog post page with all the blog posts. Go to all categories here and go to options, categories. Default is none. Let's preview, hit all categories, and there you go. You can filter by the categories and it should work. It should only be one article here. Okay, and these are other things, right? So, all right, so also in the case of this template, if we scroll down, we see we actually have the blog posts here. So this was actually just a feature image. What we would do is, to make this also work, go to blog posts here, go to settings. We want total pages, only one. We want one. We don't want all the other ones. And here's the block. Here we want to repeat the same thing we just did. Again, collection, blog posts. All right, so here are the actual blog posts, badge. Let's connect everything again. This is going to be the category, the name. This is going to be the title, name. This is going to be the description, again. This is going to be, of course, if you could just leave it as it was, you would just need to get rid of this and you would have the blog post the way it was. This template has a featured image in the beginning, a featured blog post, and then it has the other blog posts showing. So let's actually recreate this in case you would want to do the same thing. All right, and again, link block, link it to pages, blog, post, data, collection, current collection, open a new tab. No, we just want to leave it like it is. And now what you might see is this is a duplicate of this. So we need to actually create an offset. Let's go to blog posts and here offset 1. All right. So it doesn't show the first one, basically. That's how it works. All right. Preview. Looking good. Read the latest news. Here you can filter by these. Then you have the featured blog post, and then you have the other ones. Cool. Thanks for watching, and in the next one, I'm going to start from scratch to build the blog posts. That is, I'll use a template and then create the blog from scratch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.